Simple. Put the car in park! Put the car in park!
Oh my God!
Put the car in park!
A cop finds a woman passed out behind the wheel, car in drive, engine running, completely unresponsive. He tried everything to wake her up, and when nothing worked, he made a decision that probably saved her life. What she says when she finally opens her eyes, you don't forget.
Simple. Put the car in park! Hey, firm. She just struck my squad. Stop. Put the car in park!
Oh my God!
Put the car in park!
Oh my God! You stole my whole dome party house.
Put the car in park! Unlock the door.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, I got it. Oh,
Can you unlock the door?
I'm trying. It's. Okay.
Alright. Can you unlock the door and step out?
Yes, I'm sorry. Sorry.
That's alright. What's your first name?
Mary Kate.
Mary Kate, what's going on?
Well,
1379. I got it away. You okay?
yeah.
I'm good. Alright. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes.
Been trying to wake you up for a couple minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Do you know where you are right now?
Well, I know I'm right by St. Pat's. It's like a mile away.
Is that where you're coming from?
No.
No?
I'm not
Where were you?
100% sure where I'm coming from.
Okay. Were you out in St. Charles tonight?
I was.
How much you had to drink tonight, Mary?
I can do a sobriety test if you'd like me to.
Okay. Well, first I'm going to have the paramedics come check you out, just because it took me a while to wake you up, and then, unfortunately, when I broke your glass here, it looks like I got a little cut on your face, okay?
Wait.
It's not bad, you just got a tiny little mark on your face there.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Are you doing okay otherwise?
Mhm.
Are you on any medication or anything? Are you supposed to be and you didn't take it? No? Okay. Alright.
Yeah, this is lovely marketing for.
Were you out drinking tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember where you were? What establishment?
So, I wasn't at any bars. I wasn't at any bars.
Okay.
But,
were you at a restaurant? You
no.
said you were over by St. Pat's. Were you at the Italian place?
No, I wasn't at any bars. I was,
Okay.
Most people in her position would deflect, deny, buy time. She didn't do any of that. From the moment she opened her eyes, she was honest, and that honesty is what makes this one hard to watch.
yeah.
Just take some deep breaths for me. I'm gonna have the paramedics come check you out real quick. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I know you seem fine now. It was just I called them here because I could not wake you up. I was tapping on your window. I was banging on your hood, and you weren't moving. And then that's why I parked my car where I did, because I had a feeling when you woke up that you were going to start rolling forward, and I didn't want you.
Yeah.
I'd rather you hit me than crash into someone's house.
Yeah.
Or someone else.
Of course. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Sorry about your window.
Do you want me to let medics know they can move up?
Yeah. Don't worry. We're gonna go behind your car over here, okay? Okay. So, I know we obviously was kind of chaotic there at the beginning.
It's just,
So, what?
it's a lot to take in.
No, understood. Do you remember where you were coming from tonight and like how you got here?
Um,
I'm not sure. I got you. But you were in St. Charles before you got in your car tonight?
yes.
Were you out to eat or meet friends at a bar, restaurant?
Yeah, no, I was, I was with my friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't remember where?
Oh my god.
It's all right. Did you
No,
have,
it's not alright.
did you have dinner? Or did you eat or no?
No, I didn't eat.
Did you eat earlier today?
Yeah.
Did you have dinner?
Yeah.
About what time did you eat?
Like probably like around 5 or so.
5? Okay. And then ended up in St. Charles with friends?
Yeah, well, I live in St. Charles, so.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay.
I live like across the street.
Yeah. And a couple drinks tonight? Fair to say?
Yeah.
You remember what you had?
Wine.
Wine? You know how much?
Like a few drinks.
A few drinks? Based on how much you had tonight, is that more than usual, less, about the average?
Probably more, but also I ate less.
Okay, so kind of two things going against you there, right? Gotcha. Based on how much you drank tonight, do you think you were safe to drive a car?
Well, I'm gonna punch my window open, so.
I got you. All right. So what we're going to do, do you have any physical limitations that prevent you from walking normally, balancing one foot, anything like that?
No.
Do you have any issues, any head trauma or any issues with your eyes?
No.
Okay. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear contacts.
Contacts, soft contacts. You have them in right now? Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to have you face me just like you're. Go ahead and put your feet together and put your arms down at your side, okay? All right. So what we're going to do, I'm going to check your eyes, okay? What I want you to do is basically just follow where the flashlight's shining on my finger there. Can you see that okay? All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically move this stimulus from left to right. You're going to follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand? Okay.
He gave her every chance to get through the tests. She gave it everything she had.
All right. Thank you. All right. Next one we're going to do, probably seen this if you watch cop shows or anything like that. Walk and turn.
Oh my god,
Okay. So what I want you to do is I'm going to have you stand right about here.
Okay.
where my flashlight's at. And we're going to face this direction, okay? What I want you to do, just like we did on the last one, feet together, arms down at your side. I'm going to explain the first step of this, okay? Once I explain it, I'm going to ask you to hold a position. Don't start walking though until I tell you to, okay? So from that position, what you're going to do is you're going to take your right foot, you're going to put it in front of your left. The heel of your right foot touching the toes of your left foot.
Okay.
Understood? Go ahead and do that now.
Oh, jeez.
So, and the best you can, hold that position. I'm going to demonstrate the remainder of the test. What you're going to do is imagine a straight line going right from your right front foot straight down the street all the way past those squad cars, okay? You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that straight line, all right? You're going to watch your feet. You're going to count your steps out loud. Keep your arms down at your side. Once you start walking, do not stop. I'm going to demonstrate. You're going to take 9 steps. I'm only going to demonstrate 3 because of what we have here, okay? It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. You're going to pivot on your lead foot.
Okay.
Come back. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9.
Okay.
Again, look at your feet.
So,
Count your steps out loud. Keep your arms down at your side. Once you start walking, do not stop. Do you understand the instructions?
yes.
Okay, you can start whenever you're ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, continue.
Then you said 9.
Yep,
Do I turn around?
yep.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Awesome, thank you. All right, one more for you, okay?
Okay.
This is going to be the one leg stand. You can basically pick whichever foot you want. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate
This
it for
is
you.
hard when I'm sober. Okay.
I gotcha.
Fudge. Okay. Okay. Ooh,
And if you don't think
balance is hard.
if you don't think you can do it,
No,
that's
I
fine as
can't.
well.
1001. Oh, poop.
Okay.
I'm sorry. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Ooh!
Gotcha.
Ooh, poop. Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh, gosh. Can I regain my balance?
Yep. Do what you gotta do. He'll let you know when.
2011?
Okay. You can put your foot down. You're good.
1000.
You're good, Mary-Kate. You're good. All right. All right. So remember the question I asked you kind of before we started. Did you feel like you were safe to be driving a car tonight? You do?
Well, I mean, considering you had to punch open my window,
Yeah.
probably not.
Okay. All right. So based on kind of everything that happened tonight, based on what we just did, okay, I'm going to push you under arrest for DUI at this time, okay? So just like we've been this whole time, super, I know. Okay. So
You're gonna be all right. I'm gonna be the one that's taking you down there, okay? And this officer's gonna meet us down there,
we're going to take good care of you, all right?
okay?
So sooner we go, the sooner we can
Yeah,
get you home or call a friend, okay?
Okay.
I know.
Come on, Ricky.
We'll just get you in here, and then we're gonna pull up a little bit closer to your car. Okay. Just watch your step. Yep. Okay. Come. It's all right.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry
It's all right.
about all this. I'm just really sorry.
Okay.
Here's
We're just gonna get you into the seat, okay?
Yeah.
And then I can talk to you a little bit more too, okay?
And we can get you warm.
Yep. That's the big thing.
Oh
Just
my god.
so if you turn and face me a little bit, okay, and then just go back and sit, and then just try to bring your feet around. There you go. That's about the easiest way to get in.
Oh my god. I can't.
And then no, sit normal, and
Oh, okay.
and I will just.
Oh, you're okay.
Yep. They try to make it easy for us. Okay. I'll be right back with you, okay? Then we'll get your fingerprints, picture taken, and we'll get you
Oh my god.
released, okay?
I can't believe it. Yeah, but okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I did something wrong. So, yeah. I understand. Yeah. Fudge.
1391. Starting mileage will be 33.8, 33.8 PD.
Oh my gosh. My nose is dripping. Like, I want to wipe my nose so bad.
As soon as we get there, I'll get
I know.
some tissues and everything, okay?
Okay. I am just...
We'll figure something out, okay?
I just have to like kind of process this right now, so sorry. It's like I'm just like kind of crying.
You live here in town?
Yeah, I live really close.
Okay.
I live like less than a mile away.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh man, I'm sorry.
In the back of that car, she didn't fight it, didn't blame anyone. She just sat with it. And that moment right there, that's what separates this arrest from every other one on this channel.
You know where that's at?
Well, sort of. I mean, I work for Nike,
Okay.
and so like I kind of have an idea where the counties all are. It's far.
Yep.
Yeah.
This
This is this is not gonna look good on my record if I'm looking for a new job. I'm realizing. But yes, I know where that is. Are you from there?
Yep.
She lived 1 mile away, woke up to a broken window and handcuffs. No lies, no excuses, just sorry. Drop a comment. Did she deserve this? Subscribe for more every week.